tiptoes through the trees. Soft light dances on the seas, a world at ease. A gentle tease, whispering, skies open wide. Feel the glow, let it guide. No need to run, no need to hide. Footsteps on a golden shore, echoes drift in no more. The heart feels like an open door. Each note a ripple,